welcome back to my channel. In today's video, me and my two sisters are gonna go to town, so let's see in the car. We are going to Morrison's right now, just getting a couple of bits. So yes, I'll see you when I'm in one of the aisles. So guys, we're about to go and pay now, and everyone's just going to the tills. So I'll see you guys. I don't know what we're doing now. I think we'll go for a cup of tea or something for a drink, and then we'll go to McDonald's. So we just got home now, and me and my mum are going to take the dogs for a walk at Cassonin right now, as we normally take the dogs, as you all guys know. And yes, so me and mum have taken them for quite a while, us two together. So yeah, it'll be very good and very cool as well. So I'll see you up there when they all have a nice run around and enjoy themselves. So I'll see you soon. Bye. Hey guys, so it's a change of plan. We usually go out Croissant, but we're going down to this park near us, and we're taking the dogs. The dogs are over there right now, having a run around and getting all that energy off, aren't they, Mum? That's my mum over there. And yeah, so we've got the leads, and yeah, I'm going to show you Bonnie and Poppy running about in a minute. See you soon. Bonnie, Poppy. The sun's so bright today, isn't it? Up there, look. Bonnie, Poppy. It's so crazy right now. It's like a pinky sky today. And yeah, so I'm gonna walk with my mum now, and I'll see you when I get home. Bye. Me and my mum are on our way back to the house now, and it's about 5:05, and it's kind of still light, but I think it gets like dark around 5:30, 5:45 now. So yeah, so I'm walking the dogs home. It's Bonnie and Poppy. I've got Bonnie, and Mum's got Poppy, and yeah, we're just on our way back to the home, and I'll see you there. Bye. Okay guys, so just gonna stand back here and just tell you what I have really done today. So obviously we went for a walk I went for a walk with my mum, and then we came home for just a little bit, like not that long. We went and then quickly straight away to this lady's house. Like we cleaned for work and stuff like that, and it's really nice. So I normally go with her to talk to her and stuff like that, because she's quite elderly. So I just have a chat with her while we get some more work. And then so then after that we came home. Well, first of all we went to McDonald's, because they wanted to get McDonald's, my sister. So then after McDonald's we came home, and yeah, right now we're gonna have some dinner. We are having meatballs, mashed potato, but in the meatballs it's got peas and carrots in it, so it's lovely and it sounds delicious. So we're having that for dinner. Me, Amy and Holly and Mum, we're all having meatballs tonight for dinner. And yeah, basically, so that's what I've done so far. Sorry this vlog is quite long, quite short, I mean. Oh my god, what am I on about? It's quite short, but you can't complain. My vlogs are literally the longest vlogs you've ever seen in your probably entire life, so you're probably glad that it's not short. It's short, I mean. Why am I so So right now I'm gonna go downstairs with my mum and stuff like that. I just gave my mum my birthday list, which I'm very, very excited about. But my birthday is 2 weeks today. I'm gonna be 19 2 weeks today. OMG. I can't wait. I'm gonna be turning 19 and I feel quite old. Like, I know 19 is not that old, but it's the last year of being a teenager, guys. Like, and then I will be officially an adult next year. Like, obviously I'm an adult now, but you know, it'll feel basically more of an adult next year because it'll be 20, but I'm gonna be 19 in 2 weeks today. It's crazy. So hopefully I can get my things. I really want some like Saffron Bark merchandise. So my mum will be going to Cardiff before my birthday. So we're gonna try and get it online, but they don't have a Primark store online, which is quite strange really, because every store has Primark. Every store has like a store online, but Primark doesn't. So I have found some merchandise on Amazon, which is amazing. So I'm gonna download now. Hopefully I can get it, but I don't know. But I'm happy with whatever I have for my birthday anyway. My birthday's 2 weeks today, which is very, very crazy, and it's gonna fly by. So it's crazy. But as you guys know, I go to this thing called Skilly Eye, and Jordan, who is my art tutor, says to me that I have to let him know 1 week before I'm turned 19, because then he can put me on to level 1 of Skilly Eye. I don't know what that is or anything, so I'll find out very, very soon. But on the 27th of January, I have to let him know, because that's 1 week before my birthday, to turn 19. So that's what I have to do. And yeah, so right now, guys, I'm gonna go downstairs and have my dinner, see how long it's gonna take. And yeah, I'll update you a bit later, probably when I get into my pajamas, or yeah, or if I'm doing anything else. Bye. Hey guys, so I'm upstairs right now, just got into my pajamas and all. So yeah, my birthday's in 2 weeks today, and I'm very, very excited for my birthday. I am going to be vlogging, and on the 1st of February, so 2 days before my actual birthday, a couple of my friends are coming over to the house, and we're having like a little tiny, like kind of tea party type of thing in the house. So obviously Sarah's gonna come, my friend Sarah, I used to see in college. Naomi is coming, and Naomi's sister Mia's coming. Rian might be coming, but we're not really sure yet. But yeah, that'd be really cool. And Holly's friend Lily might be coming, and also Lily's sister Poppy might be coming. That she's been in my vlog as well once before. So they might be coming. So yeah, so then we'll probably like listen to the music and everything, but you'll see everything that we do. So I'm really looking forward to it. And yeah, so I can't believe 2 weeks today. I'm gonna be turning 19. 6 o'clock in the morning, I've turned 19 years old, and that'd be crazy. So yeah, I'm really excited. 2 weeks today, I'll turn 19. So right now, guys, I'm gonna end the vlog. If you did enjoy this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you've got any comments or whatever you want to tell me, or whatever videos you want to see next. And yeah, tell me what videos you want me to do next, because I needed ideas. So yeah, and I'll see you again next time. Bye guys. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I hope you have liked my video. Thank you for watching.